Small back porch. Storage closet on the back porch. Walking into the dining area, ceiling fan. Water and electricity have been turned off to the home. Nice large bay window. Division between the kitchenette and dining area. Space for a refrigerator. Again, a little dark here in the kitchen, but built-in gas cooktop, oven, nice oak cabinets. Into the utility room with washer and dryer hookup. Full bath. Again, a little dark in here, but stand-up, handicap accessible shower. Into a large bedroom with closet. Into the living room, large living room, again ceiling fan, access to the dining room. Small enclosed front porch. And then we come to what is either a bonus room, possibly a second bathroom, or second bedroom. This is a flat roof, and it does have some settling in the foundation in this corner, and maybe some water issues from the roof, but I think just reset the corner of this back room and adjust the roof and reset your door, and you'd be in shape. There is a crawl space basement with two block walls and two earth walls that is underneath part of the house.